Sarah! A girl heard her stupid-ass mom yell her name from downstairs. So no shit, Sherlock. She got up and started to head down. Like, what do you expect? Sarah, I called you.
Bitch, get in here. Come on! I heard it too, bitch. How dare you ruined my dumbass place! There's no one to play! I got it! Oh, no, get your lazy ass over here! Where's your bitch ass in this fucking Y'all gonna fish me some Chick-fil-A or the pizza go with the sauce? No! Because I'm a fucking lord of Chick-fil-A! Me, you lazy ass bitch. I know I'm dead, but I can creak. Oh my fucking god! A person murdered my mom. What do I fucking expect? I got you! You're coming with me! Stop screaming! You're making my ears so
Oh wait, suspenseful music is supposed to be playing out.